Alright, today I have a GMC Sierra and I'm going to show you how to operate the air conditioner and heater system on this particular GMC Sierra. I'm going to go with how to turn on the heat and air conditioner as well as how to turn on the defroster on this GMC Sierra. I'm going to go over the fan speed, the recirculation, the synchronization, as well as how to turn on the heated seats on this GMC Sierra. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is go over the physical buttons on how to operate the air conditioner and heater system. And after I've done that, I will go over the flat screen or the screen touch controls on how to operate it. You can do this in two different areas, the physical buttons as well as the touch screen, and I'll go over both of those. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is, when you're using this, is how to turn it on. If you're not familiar with how to turn something on, you probably have marital issues or something. So besides that, in order to turn the air conditioner and heater system on, you'll look for an off on button, which is located in the center right here. I'll go ahead and press this, and it is currently off. When there's no light up there, it is in the off position. When I press it again, you'll see this light comes on. It'll show that it is on. So this is one way on how to do it, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. There's an auto feature that you can press with it off, and it automatically starts up and starts to either heat or cool your car accordingly. All right, so that is that part. In order to control the fan speed, it is currently on. In order to get it out of auto, all I can do is I can press the minus button, and it controls the fan speed and makes it cooler, or not cooler, but blow at a slower rate. Or I can press the plus, which makes it blow air at a faster rate. I'm going to lower it just for the sake of the video to go over various other controls. The next thing I'm going to do is show you how to adjust to heat and air conditioning or cool air. I'll go over that. Now, in order to adjust the heat, what I'll do is, first, if I'm not using the air conditioner, I'll go and press that to turn that off, and then I'll adjust the heat. Right now it is in the coolest setting right here on both sides. In order to adjust the heat, I'll take this, I'll turn this knob, and it goes up from low all the way up to 80, goes to 89, and then goes to high, and so that's high heat. Now you can see on the passenger side, it is still low. The passenger can adjust their own temperature by using this knob right here. But if you want both sides to be synchronized, there's a button right here that says SYNC, that is sync. I'll go and press that, and both sides go to whatever the driver's side is located. I'll show you momentarily. Go low. Say everyone's low, but the passenger wants a different temperature. They have two different temperatures. If I want them to sync, I'll sync. The passenger side went to what the driver's side is. All right. So now that's how you turn the heat on. If you want to turn the air conditioner on, or you want cooler air but not air conditioner, you go ahead and take this and turn it to cool, or to a lower temperature, or to low. Now it's just blowing cool air. Excuse me, it's just blowing air that is not heated. If you want air conditioned air, you'll have to press this right here, and that gives you that cooled air, what we call air conditioner. You can see that that is locked in. It is on low. You can adjust the temperature if you don't want it so cold. Sync it or synchronize it if you want to get back to that. So that is the AC. So now it's a cooler air. We went over the fan speed, off. Now we'll go towards how to direct the air in the vehicle. Now, there is a setting. If you want the air to recirculate within the vehicle and not pull the air from outside of the vehicle, there is this button right here at the bottom. If I press that, it's a recirculating. I'll show you, get a little closer so you can see that. See this button right here? That is recirculating the air. When that's lit up, it's recirculating. It will give you the coldest air because it's circulating cold air with even cooler air, or cold air with the air conditioner, give you even colder air. If you don't want it, if you want fresher air to come from outside, or maybe it's not so fresher, it's outside of the vehicle, you can press that and it will draw air from the outside as well. All right, so we have that. Now I'm going to show you how to direct the air to where it blows. So if you look on here, there is controls right here, and it shows the direction. Let me get in right here close, of where the air is blowing. If I press this, it is blowing on the windshield right there. If I press it there, it's blowing on the face. And so right now it's blowing on the windshield and the face. If I want to blow on the feet, I'll press this right here where it's blowing on the feet right there. So it's on the feet, face, and windshield, all three directions. And I can press it again if I don't want it for that particular area. So now it's just blowing at the feet. Now it's blowing on the face right there. All right. So we went over that. So now I'm going to talk to you about the defrost on the windshield, as well as the heated seats, on how to turn those on and off. So now to defrost the windshield, I'll press this button right here. You see this, it says max. I'll press that and it'll defog the windshield. If I press it again, it turns it off. Now to defrost or defog the rear window, I'll press this button down here, which says right here, rear. Okay, so that's the rear window. I'll press that. And when that's lit up, it is defrosting the rear window. I'll turn it off. Now that I've done that, I'll go to the heated seats, and then we'll go to the touch screen on how to operate the air conditioner and the heater system on the touch screen. On this side right here, I have heated seats. Now there's two buttons for the driver's side. I'll go over the driver's side as well as the passenger side. So on the driver's side, if you want heated seats, you can heat both the back and the bottom, or you can just heat the back. I'm going to start off with heating just the back. You see this button right here? I'll press it, and when I press it, you'll see all three buttons are lit up, and that is indicative that it is on the high position right here. High position heat coming from the back, medium heat with only two lit up, one lit up, and you have the low heat going towards the back. If you want it for the back and the bottom, I'll get to that after I turn this off. So you can see that there's one lit. If I press it one more again, it goes to no lit up and it is off. Now if I want to heat the back and the bottom, I'll press this button down here. This button down here heats the back and the bottom in high heat, medium heat, low heat, and off. And on the passenger side, they have their own controls where it goes from high heat on back, medium heat, low heat, no heat, high, medium, low, no, just like that. So that is the manual controls. Now I'm going to go to the physical controls, and now I'm going to go to the touch screen. Let's go to that. So down here are the physical controls. If you go up, you'll see that there's control right here, or a flat screen, where it is as manual or touchscreen controls. I'll go over that and see if I can get rid of the reflection a little bit. So I'm on here, and you have the touchscreen. You have control the temperature, hot, 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 just like that, by touching the red or the gray right here to lower it. Temperature right there. You have the auto, where it automatically adjusts temperature. If I want to turn it off, just simply lower that right there. You touch the screen right here to lower the fan speed, or turn it off, turn it back on. It says I need to turn the vehicle back on. So, hit that auto. Lower the speed right there to turn the fan speed off. I want the heater or the air conditioner. I'll go ahead and press this. Make sure that's lit up. Now it's didn't need to do that. Climate. And then I will, the air conditioner is lit up, so it's blowing that. Fan speed, just simply touch the screen right there. Fans. Now the direction, if I want to change direction, I'll have adjust the face and feet, windshield, all three of those if I want. Just have it on the face right there, air conditioner. When I turn the heat on, turn the AC off, turn the heat to higher, synchronize it if I want. And then there's the air recirculation button that I talked about. Make sure that that's lit up, turned off, turned on. And when I'm ready to turn it off, I'll just simply come here and press the off, just like that. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.